English essay. Importance of reading. Importance of reading. Reading is a very good habit. It helps us learn new things every day. It gives us knowledge and makes our mind sharp. When we read books, stories, or articles, we understand the world better. Reading also improves our vocabulary and helps us speak and write correctly. Reading regularly has many long term benefits. It keeps your brain active, improves memory, and keeps our minds calm. Books teach us good values like honesty, kindness, and hard work. They inspire us to dream big and achieve our goals. Today, reading is important for success in studies and life. We should develop the habit of reading daily and encourage others to do the same. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.